How to add up to 20 images to Instagram Carousel post. Instagram has added an update allowing users to now add up to 20 images to Carousel post, which is double the previous limit of 10. So, firstly, open your Instagram application on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen. Now select Post at the bottom of the screen and select the carousel icon at top right corner of the screen. Now select the images up to 20 in your Instagram carousel post. Once you select it and you are done with that, tap the next button at top right corner of the screen. And now you have to customize this post by adding filters, images, text, and many more. You can add filters to every post or images at once on every images, or if you wish to add filters differently on each images, you can do it on your way only and tap the next button at bottom right corner of the screen. Write a caption or add a poll, add location, tag people, add music, and many more. Tap the share button and it will be shared to your Instagram account profile. So this is how we add up to 20 images to Instagram carousel post. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching.